strategic outsourcing isn't just about capacity. It's about speed at scale and true equivalency. Hi, my name is Ryan Lee, Senior Director in Sales Operations Team. It's about speed at scale. With 785 kiloliter capacity across 5 plants, we offer a seamless end-to-end workflow by eliminating handovers between development and commercial supply. Also, for existing commercial products, our tech transfer timeline and capability are top-notch. We don't just meet timelines, we drastically accelerate them. Scaling up often fails due to facility mismatches. How do you solve this variability? We recently published a trademark for our standardized framework, and it's called ExellenS. It signifies achieving over 95% design equivalency across all plants. This ensures true plant equivalency, allowing us to replicate successful outcomes anywhere in our network instantly. Regulatory requirements are stricter than ever. How do you prove your reliability? The numbers speak for themselves. We maintain a 99% batch success rate with over 400 global regulatory approvals. Supported by EQUIS, which is our real-time digital quality system, we don't just follow standards, we set the benchmark.